A PC part list is the very beginnings of any good computer build. And my name is Jay, and today I'm going to talk about PC part lists and how I will do them for free. So a lot of people online will go through and they'll be like, hey, I'll do it if you give me like 20 bucks, or I'll do it if you give me 5 bucks. And they'll say, hey, I'll make you a PC part list so you can order your parts off of that for a charge. Now, I think it's a little outrageous that people will actually do that. Why? Because first off, number one, that's very important that people understand and also have a good foundation. I feel like charging for that is just a little, I don't know, cheap. I feel like if you really want to genuinely help somebody, you shouldn't, that's not too much time to build a part list. It's not, if you're experienced and you know what you're doing, it's not too much time to do all that stuff. And I feel like that's why I want to offer that for free. I'm offering it as a service on my Discord server where you just put in a certain channel, you'll go through and you'll say, hey, I'd like to be able to request a part list. You put your budget, what you're doing on the system, and some extra information, and then we go through and we'll go get you a part list returned to you. And that way you can have something to go through and have somewhere to go post and ask questions and get a part list for free without any charge, no strings attached. You just get a part list and you can pretty much take that and build a nice system with it. Now, obviously there are some people that this is really good for, because I've always believed that people should have the ability to have easy access to a support group that can help people pick out the right parts, because once you have all the right parts, it's pretty much a walk in the park of pretty much putting Legos together in order to get a working PC. It's not that difficult to do. But making the part list and making sure everything is compatible, making sure you're getting the evenly matched motherboard, CPU, the right chipsets kind of matched, making sure you get you don't bottleneck a graphics card compared to with your CPU. There's a lot of different things that go in there that isn't really available in PCPartPicker. It doesn't tell you that. And that's why I want to make this program, is so that anyone can go through. Anyone out there that's watching, anywhere that wants to go get a free PC part list can go get one without having to worry about anything. All you have to do, Discord server in the description, Jay's Tech Vault, go down there and you just comment in that Discord channel. You say, hey, I like this. You get a response back in maybe about half a day to a day, and you'll get a full working part list. People can look it over, all the different people can look it over, and you can send that list to somebody else and they can modify it. And of course, asking questions is of course a lot as well. So what I'm trying to do here is trying to offer a really supportive environment for people to build their computer. Because back when I was building my very first gaming computer, there was nobody around. I had to do all my research online. It was very difficult, and I still ended up mixing up some hardware and having a lot of problems with the motherboard matching the wrong, the motherboard chipset not with the right CPU. And that was a lot of issues, and I want to prevent that from happening again, because even if you have some experts that are looking it over, which I did, I had sent it off to a couple really intelligent people, you still don't necessarily understand everything, and it's difficult to ask questions, especially when you're just asking somebody for a couple of seconds of their time. So that's why I said I want this program to be something where anyone on the internet, as long as you have Discord, actually I have an email too if you really need to email me about that, and anyone that has questions can literally just go on there, get a part list, ask questions, get help for PC computer building, things like that, and then you can go through and get a part list, build your computer, ask questions while you're building it, and have no problem there. So this is going to be a unique program. I'm interested to see if anyone actually takes it, if anyone's interested. I hope people do, because I'll be doing the part list. I'll have a couple of my staff members doing it that are on there that are actually really intelligent. But I feel like it's a good idea that people, let me know what you guys think in the comments, but I think it's a good idea that people have that ability to go through and get a part list for something they want to do, and make that free and make that kind of a standard that anyone can get a free part list if you just spend the time and join a Discord server and ask and answer a couple questions, and you can get a nice part list. So thank you very much for watching, and I apologize to all my regular viewers. I'm not really doing the computer stuff today. I'm wanting to kind of make this video to talk about that, and tomorrow I'll have a little bit of something else to talk about, another quick talking video, and then we'll get back into the regular tech news later on. But thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.